You see that snow, guy? So strong. You cannot even see the line in the road. That the snow, it's snow, it's snowing. We are running 50 miles per hour. In here, somebody was already cleaned the road, but it's still because it's heavy snow. It's already 10:50 p.m. my time.
And we started 10 o'clock last night.
This snow was already started the other night, and this is the second night in the road.
We've been driving 24 hours.
Yes, we have a heavy snow. We're still very far. There, our map over there. We are in here. We go over there on the top of the mountain. It's already 10:51 ng gabi. To the limit, one more time. We have an emergency light in the back because we are carrying a car.
Turn around, they can see it.
Okay.
You show them.
I cannot see.
Look in the back window.
There, the window.
Back window, back window.
I cannot turn. It's hard for me to turn. Oh, over there. I don't know. Oh, there. We're towing that car. Okay, bye, guys.